If you want to know how to connect PlayStation or PS5 account to Marvel Rivals account, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to the Marvel Rivals official website, alright? And then basically, as if like you're gonna start a new game, I'm gonna see right here, they support Steam, PS5, Xbox Series, and Epic Store. So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit login at the top, right? And as you can see, you're gonna hear the sound of the game, right? So now what I'm gonna do, let me mute this sound, right? You're gonna wait, and as you can see, please log in to your account. I'm gonna select PS5, and they will direct me to the official website of Sony or the PlayStation. I'm gonna add my email address and then password, and I'm gonna be able to connect my PS5 to Marvel Rivals. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.